everyone. So today I'm gonna be sharing our kale wrap recipe. Our oldest son, Mookie, say hi.
Hey.
We're not almost the same height. You guys stop it. That's not a thing. It's not happening, okay? It's not a thing, okay? No! Okay. We recently started making this kale wrap, but it is inspired by his favorite kale wrap, which is from Tassili's in Atlanta. And actually on each of our kids' birthday months this year, since each of them has a birthday in a different month, we're gonna let them highlight what some of their favorite things are. And so today Mookie is gonna be sharing his favorite kale wrap recipe. He's also gonna be sharing his perspective on what it's like to be a vegan 12-year-old. So I'm gonna be asking him questions while Dad is putting together the wrap. And yeah, hopefully this will be helpful to you if you have a kid that wants to go vegan, or that's interested in veganism, or that you are trying to get to go vegan. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new here, because our kid is amazing and he is going to help you sort of navigate that world if you need to sit down and have that conversation. Let's get into my vegan kid talks about veganism. The kale wrap is made up of 4 components: the vegetables, the condiments, the spices, and Rocky's famous guacamole recipe. It's gonna be up here. Ding! My beautiful Egyptian king, Pharaoh. Turn to the side so they can see that Pharaoh profile. Okay, that's that Pharaoh profile. That's that Egyptian king. That's that Egyptian king right there.
So first off, what you want to do is you're going to cut up your kale. You're going to remove all the stems.
Okay, so while Dad is ripping off the stems, I'm going to be asking Mookie some questions. Okay, Mookie, so the first time you heard of veganism, when your mom first said that she was going to be a vegan, what did you think?
I thought that looks cool and I should try it.
Okay, what looks cool about it?
The salads.
Oh, the salads looks cool. Did you like salads before you went vegan?
I don't think we had that much salads.
Mm-hmm.
But I think I remember eating veggies at dinner.
Mm-hmm. But when we became vegan, we suddenly started having more salads, and that was pretty cool?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I thought vegan was only veggies and salads.
Mm-hmm. Daddy's cutting up.
Yeah, when you rip them off the stems, what you want to do is just bunch it together and chop it up so it's nice and small, easy to eat when it's in your wrap.
Okay, so then what got you excited about being vegan other than the salads?
Seeing my mom doing something cool. I saw Mommy eating special salads and I said, Mommy, what are you doing? My mom said, well, I'm doing a thing called being vegan. I said, can I be vegan too?
Now, what about kids who want to be vegan? What would you say if a kid wants to be vegan, but their parent doesn't know anything about being vegan? What would you tell them?
Check out our channel.
Check out our channel. Mm-hmm.
And buy 1 vegan meat a week. Then just keep trying that each week until it becomes a habit. You try it twice a week. Becomes a habit. Next thing you know, you're fully vegan.
Okay, so why did you mention vegan meat? What was the first time you remembered having vegan meat?
Boca chicken nuggets.
Boca chicken nuggets?
Yeah.
Is that the first vegan meal you ever had?
It actually is, I think. That's my first vegan meal.
How come we ended up buying chicken nuggets?
When we first started being vegan, you said that we would go to McDonald's. And I really wanted to go to McDonald's to get a Happy Meal. And we never went. And then you just got chicken nuggets instead. And then I said, is this from McDonald's? And he said, no, this is vegan.
And did you have any health issues before you went vegan that you can remember?
Throwing up a lot.
You used to throw up a lot?
Having headaches.
Headaches?
And sometimes stomach aches.
Stomach aches? And did you used to tell, and oh yeah, and allergies, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and how has that been since you became vegan?
I used to have a big pollen allergy.
What kind of allergy?
Pollen. Allergy. And one day when I was like 4, my eyes were cloudy and I couldn't see in any of them. We had to go to the hospital, and that's when they first told us that I had a pollen allergy. And I had to drink this special medicine called Claritin. Ever since we started being vegan, I haven't been needing to take that. And it's been quite a while since we've been vegan. 4 years. Yeah. What are some things that we did that made you get excited about being vegan? What did we do to make it look cool? Give them the cool stuff like chicken nuggets and burgers, vegan fries were always vegan, but at those drive-thru restaurants, they actually put chicken oil in it. So
Yeah. So you mean the oil that they cook the chicken in? Yeah.
also another thing, since we started being vegan, we've been making more veggies.
Yes.
Making more veggies. More potatoes, more broccoli. Before we were vegan, I don't think we really steamed broccoli that much.
Yeah, we never used to really eat vegetables at all. It was really bad.
I was waiting on you guys. So what you want? You definitely want to wash your kale. And once your kale is washed, you're ready to go after you've chopped up all your other vegetables to put in.
Okay, Mookie, and what are some of your favorite meals to cook as a vegan? Because didn't you get really interested and wanted to be a vegan chef for a little while?
Yeah. Actually, I made my own little kids restaurant. Every day when Mom was pregnant with Wesley, I used to make her a special meal, and it was pot stickers, broccoli, avocado, and tamari sauce.
And that was one of your favorite meals to make?
Yeah.
And
It was an easy meal.
What was your signature meal to make from scratch?
Garbanzo beans and kidney beans mashed. That was like homemade meat.
Oh, you gotta share that on the channel. Okay, so we're back over here. Go ahead, Dad.
All right, so I washed my kale. I cut up my onions, threw them in there. You also want to cut up some tomatoes, but you don't want to add those in until after you're done with all your seasonings and whatnot, because it might make it a little bit more watery.
Okay.
All right, so I'm just transferring it to a bigger bowl. If you already started with a big bowl, then that's great. I recommend Just Caesar, it's from Just Mayo brand. If you can't find that, whatever vegan Caesar dressing you can find, or whatever your favorite one is. And also, we're gonna use Hellmann's vegan mayo. I think it's the best mayo on the market. All right.
Okay, and also the Just Caesar is non-GMO and gluten-free.
If you don't like a lot of mayo, don't put a lot of mayo. And then same thing with the Caesar. The Caesar, you know, most Caesar dressings have salt in it. So you don't want to put too much because you don't want it to be too salty. But, you know, you just, in a circular motion, just spread it around.
Mookie, got a plate, baby.
Just spread it around just like that. Some black pepper. Add to taste. So if you like your stuff spicy, then put a lot. If you don't, then don't put a lot.
Mookie, do you remember the first time you had this wrap from Tassili's?
Yeah.
What did you think?
It was one of the first raw foods I ever made.
Oh yeah.
Next, you add your chili powder. We also picked up this Weber Gourmet Burger Seasoning.
That's been going good with everything.
It's actually a pretty good seasoning for everything. It's like a Mrs. Dash, basically. So it's pretty good. So I, you know, throw some of that in there as well. And then last but not least, you want some garlic powder. All right. Sprinkle that bad boy in there. Throw your guacamole in there.
It smells amazing.
Oh yeah. It's that Rocky's famous guacamole,
Famous guac, man. The joke is Rocky doesn't even like avocado.
Yeah, he's not a big fan of avocado unless it's in guacamole form.
He likes guacamole, but he does not like avocado.
And you want to initially just mix it around like so. After you've done with your mixture, it should look something like this. Smells amazing.
Smells amazing. Oh, and here's the wrap over here.
We got Mission wraps. I like a different brand.
We like the Sprouts brand tortillas, but Mission brand is actually what they use at Tassili's, no?
It is definitely what they use. They use the green one at Tassili's. So now you just load up.
Make it super big.
Load it up. And you load it up. Go ahead and add your tomatoes. And go ahead and close up your wrap.
My wrap.
Ooh, that's a wrap right there.
That is
That
a wrap
is a
right
wrap.
there, my friends. Hear that? That's the sound of juicy deliciousness.
Oh yeah.
Cut that bad boy in half.
Ooh wee.
Kale.
Ooh wee. That's a wrap right there. All right, how is it? How is it? Final verdict.
The best.
The best? Is it as good as Tassili's?
Better.
Better than Tassili's. Better than Tassili's.
Better than Tassili.
Better than Tassili's. What else did you want to share with people?
When we first came to our first house, it was our first time there. We didn't have any food or anything, so Mommy ordered Olive Garden, and she was arguing on the phone to whoever it was, and she kept saying it wasn't the right dish. Then the next morning, I made a restaurant called Happy Dishes, and the logo was a green smile, and
why'd you do that?
Because I wanted to make Mommy feel better.
Aww. Alright guys, so that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. And make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed hearing Mookie's perspective. Mookie, did you enjoy giving your perspective? Alright, thanks so much for watching again, guys. And we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.